Student, we are going to discuss the very important chain. This chain is related to term electric. Electric means charge. This chain is very important. We have this complete chain in the first chapter of second year physics. The name of the chapter is electrostatic. So here in this chapter we have to discuss the electric field intensity, electric field lines and electric flux. First of all, we will define the term electric field. Electric field is also called electric force. It is also called field of force. Remember, the term electric means charge. So this field is related to charge. Now what is an electric field? A space or region around the charge where charge experiences a force in a limited region. Charge has this ability that charge around its region or around its in a limited region experiences some force. The effect of that force which is present around the charge, that effect of force is called electric field. That effect of force is also called electric force. That effect of force is also called field of force. So limited force around the charge is called electric field. So if we can suppose that if there is a unit positive charge or there can be a unit negative charge. Both the charges have this ability that they will provide a limited force around it, or that effect of limited force is called the electric field. चार्ज चाहे पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो अपने अराउंड एक्सपीरियंस करता है फोर्स, और जो फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करता है वो फोर्स लिमिटेड होती है, दूर दूर तक एक्सटेंड नहीं करती. जैसे जैसे हम चार्ज से दूर जाते हैं फोर्स का इफेक्ट रिड्यूस होना शुरू हो जाता है और किसी पॉइंट पे हमें कोई फोर्स नहीं मिलती, फोर्स ज़ीरो हो जाती है. विच टाइप ऑफ फोर्स? विच इज़ एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय अ चार्ज. तो limited force around the charge, or that force is experienced by a charge itself. That limited force around the charge is called the electric field. Or as we will move away from the charge, the effect of that force will start to reduce, or at some point the total effect of force is equals to 0. Now the second term of that chain is electric field intensity. Intensity means strength or quantity, amount or strength of some factor is called the intensity. So electric field intensity, what is electric field? What is an electric field intensity? They are saying, as I told you, that charge can be positive, negative, or charge itself experiences some force around its limited region. The effect of that force is called electric field, or strength of that force which the charge is providing. Strength of that force is called electric field intensity. चार्ज अपने अराउंड जो लिमिटेड फोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा है उस फोर्स को नाम हमने दिया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का. उसी फोर्स की स्ट्रेंथ को हम नाम देंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का. एंड रिमेंबर, the strength of this force around the charge is not constant. ये जो फोर्स है चार्ज के अराउंड जो लिमिटेड है और चार्ज खुद एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है इसको, तो ये जो फोर्स है ये कांस्टेंट नहीं होती. दैट फोर्स अराउंड द चार्ज इज अ वेरिएबल फोर्स. ये वेरिएबल फोर्स है. इट वेरी फ्रॉम पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट टू पॉइंट वेरी करती है. तो फोर्स, लिमिटेड फोर्स अराउंड द चार्ज which is experienced by a charge itself. The limited force around the charge is called electric field, or strength of that force, strength of that limited force around the charge is called electric field intensity. So student, how we can define this electric field intensity? According to definition, variable strength of the force around the charge is called electric field intensity. Now the mathematical form of intensity. we will suppose that charge, unit charge, which is present here, the name of that charge, suppose the name of that charge is Q naught, unit positive charge Q naught is present here, or intensity is represented by E. So according to mathematical formula, intensity E is equals to F divided by Q naught. Now what is this? They are saying F is the force. This force is experienced by a charge, unit charge Q naught, or strength of that force is called the intensity. So intensity is represented by E, or it is equals to the force which is given by a unit charge Q naught. If we will derive the unit of the intensity, we will use this formula. According to the formula, the unit of force is Newton, the unit of charge is Coulomb. So unit of intensity is, according to the formula, Newton per Coulomb, or intensity itself a vector quantity. Why it is a vector quantity? Because we are saying कि here we will consider the strength of the force, or strength of force is variable, or that is variable in the sense that force is different from point to point, or here we will take this force at different point in different quantities. So that's why it is a vector quantity. Now students, we will derive one more formula of intensity in terms of Coulomb's law. Suppose we have two charges, one is Q, other is Q naught. Both are the unit charges. They can be positive, or they can be same charges, they can be opposite charges. So here suppose one charge is Q, other unit charge is Q naught, or if we will write the Coulomb's law for these two charges, the formula would be in this way: F is equals to K Q naught divided by R square. This is the Coulomb's law, this is the Coulomb's formula for these two charges. We know the formula of intensity. Formula of intensity is E, which is the force experienced by a unit charge Q naught. So here name this equation. Suppose this is equation number 1, or this is equation number 2. Substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2. So according to this situation, intensity is equals to K Q naught divided by R square. We will here replace F by K Q naught divided by R square, or this remaining Q naught which is present in the formula of intensity, this is as it is. Q naught both will cancel. So the remaining formula of intensity is E is equals to K Q divided by R square. This is the mathematical formula of intensity in terms of Coulomb's law, because here we are deriving this formula by using the concept of Coulomb's law. So student, I told you two important terms. Both the terms are related to each other. One is the electric field, which is the limited force around the charge, or other is electric field intensity. Intensity is the strength of that force around the charge, is called electric field intensity. These two terms are very important according to examination point of view. Both are the short questions of your paper.